learn how to make those 3 different types of curls? Let me show you. Once you finish to braid, use mousse. Apply your mousse throughout the extensions. Then for the first method, start by brushing your hair very well. Then take your bending roller and then start wrapping your hair around the bending roller. Don't twist the hair when you are wrapping it around. Keep it straight and wrap it through and then close it to secure it. For method 2, start twisting your hair as you are wrapping your hair around your bending rollers. Twist it as you are wrapping throughout. And then for the step 3, we use the braiding method. This one actually maintain the length of the hair. If you want to do soft curls and you want your hair to remain long, this is the best method for you. Braid it well till the end, then use a hot water, put a bit of air conditioner inside, that mix it well together. Then start dipping your hair one after another into the hot water. Leave it about 10 seconds before you move to the next one. If you are doing the client's hair, you need to pick the method that you want to use. Don't take the braid one by one as you are curling. Take at least 5, 10. It depends on how loose you want your curls to be. So there is the result. What do you guys think? Will you try it? Please leave a comment down below. Please don't forget to like, follow and share.